Good morning, students. Today I again came with a class of English of class upper nursery. In your previous class, I have already taught you till the alphabet T. Today, the rest 6 alphabet and the last 6 alphabet I will teach you how to write it. Today I will teach you U, V, W, X, Y and Z. First of all, always I tell you to open the copy and hold the pencil like this. So let me start the class. As I have already shown how to write all the alphabets, today also I will show you how to write U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Do you remember, children? U is the example of which line? U is the example of wave curves. Remember, children? So how to draw wave curves? Let me revise it. See. From first point, just observe the line. From point, just drag it downwards and then again upwards. It forms U. I have already taught you how to draw wave curves. So U is the example of wave curves. Now comes to V. But V is not the example of wave curve. V is the example of slanting line. Remember, children, how the slanting line was? So let me start. From first point, drag it towards the down, slightly sidewise. And again from first point, drag it downwards. So see, two slanting line forms V. Understood? Now comes to W. W is also an example of slanting line. See, from first point, drag it towards down. Again drag it towards up. Likewise, W is formed. Understood? Now comes X. X is also an example of slanting line. From first point, drag it towards the down, sidewise. And again, from first point, drag it towards the down. Second slanting line. Two slanting line makes X. Now comes Y. How to draw Y? Y and Z too are the example of slanting lines. From first point, slightly downwards, half it should be. And again from first point towards down, sidewise. This two slanting line makes Y. Likewise, Z. First sleeping line, then a slanting line, again a sleeping line. So sleeping and slanting line makes together forms Z. So understood how to write U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So as usual, I will give you homework. This is for the parents. I always told you. I asked the parents to write the first line for them. Then make dots for your kids. Likewise, only on the second line you will make the dots, and from the third line you will ask your kids to fill up the lines with U, V, W, X, Y and Z. You will ask your kids to fill up all these lines. So as I am giving you homework, 2 each pages. UVWX first page and second page. Likewise, YZ also for first page and second page. This line the parents should write and ask your children or kids to fill up the line from the second line. Okay, understood? Everyone understood the class, children? So, thank you for the class. Stay safe, stay happy at home. Thank you.